Hey everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to extract the last word from any cell. The good news is that you will need only one formula for this trick. No macros, no add-ons are needed. Here's the formula that allows us to do this. You can see that it consists of 4 functions. And here's the quick explanation of this formula. The formula basically consists of 4 parts, but one part is so short that we will say that it consists of 3 parts only. So the first part is substitute and it's until the first number 50. This replaces every space in the cell with 50 spaces. Then the right function that includes substitute function in it, and until the second 50 number, this extracts the last 50 characters from the cell, which will include the last word and many spaces. And the trim function, this removes all the extra spaces, leaving only the last word. Now, why number 50 is present here? The explanation is actually quite simple. This is because there are no words in English language that are longer than 50 characters. Now let's see together 2 examples of the application of this formula. First of all, I will just copy this formula, so we'll save a little bit of time by me not typing this formula 2 times. So trim, right, substitute. Now the cell reference, we have to change it to B2. So in this case we have full name Anne Maria Miller. We got the surname only Miller. Now the second example, so here we have a little bit longer text than in the previous one, and I am just going to copy the formula from the first example, paste it here, and here we go. Great result. The formula is of course dynamic, so if here we add any word on top of the existing ones, the last word in a cell that will be extracted will be a different word. That's it. We have covered this topic. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to learn more helpful tricks in Microsoft Excel, subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.